Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. Today I got a big announcement. So lately I've been posting videos like kind of inconsistently, so maybe 2 videos a week, 3 videos a week, maybe just 1 video a week. It has been like off and on a little rough. So starting on the 1st, I'm gonna be posting a video every single day for 100 days. This is gonna challenge me, you know, especially with my editing skills, all my content skills. I'm really happy to start it. So with making videos for 100 days straight, it's also gonna be, you know, lots of ideas, lots of different videos. So comment down below what video you'd like to see. I'm gonna be posting videos on all the shoes that I'm making from here on. I'll be showing you all different like tips, tricks, stuff like that, working with leather. So the next shoe that I'll be starting on is a Travis Scott's. As you can see, I've already started on it. This is how far I'm at so far. It's looking pretty cool. You know, you got the one Nike sign on this side as well with the big old Nike sign. I'm gonna be pretty much walking through you step by step through this shoe on pretty much the next week or two, and then other cool shoes that I have in the future. So a little sneak peek. These are what the off-whites look like. The full video is going to be posted right after this, as well as a review after that. So that's just some of the stuff that's going to come out, but I have lots of ideas on different shoes I'll be making in the future. It'll really help out the channel if you subscribe and hit the like button. Most of the people that are watching my videos are unsubscribed, so if you can, just hit that subscribe button. It means a lot, as well as the notifications. So some of the different videos will be like how to use a sewing machine. So what type of leather I use for the liner instead of the outside. I'll also be finishing the Dior Jordans, the gator skin belly. Everybody loves these. I gotta finish them, so I'll be making those as well. I also get a lot of questions on like where I get soles from, stuff like that, so I'll be answering that as well in like full on depth videos. So comment down below with any video idea that you want to see, whether it's a challenge, you know, me and my friends customizing shoes, stuff like that, whether I'm buying mystery boxes, stuff like that. I could do like the mystery boxes with different leathers, so I bring in a box of leathers, have no idea what it is, cut it open, and we got to make like a shoe out of that. That'd be pretty cool, stuff like that. So just comment down below what ideas you have. Some more announcements. I'm also going to be releasing a podcast once every single week that will eventually go on to like iTunes, Spotify, stuff like that. But for right now, it's going to be a video version on my YouTube channel. So this is going to be the first video of the next 100 videos. So it's super exciting. I'll get better at editing, as well as, you know, picking out shoe ideas, stuff like that. So it'll make me work on the go, you know, making a video every single day. So comment down below on a video idea that you'd like to see. Make sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Cop yourself some merch as well if you want to support the channel. We're growing really fast. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.